You are a Saudi startup that you are going to pitch yourself to a US investor, what you are going to do, and how you going to pitch them. Pitching a Saudi startup to US investors need a translating, and I will teach you how to translate this language. Welcome to BridgeTalk. This is Osama Salam speaking, and today we are talking about how to translate the language between what you are doing to US investor language so they can understand you. First, clarify the problem in the US terms. What I mean by that, you have your own business, you have your own startup, it's running very well in Saudi Arabia, for example, and now you are moving to a US investor. Tell them what you are doing and how's the problem and how to solve it in their turn. Try to imagine, give them like a imagination of a story of your client, even if you don't have it in US, how he's look like based on what you are achieving in your home country. Number two, reframe the traction in a language that he understands it. So, for example, they use mile, they don't use kilometers. The tam, the sam, the sum, all these terms, they need to understand it, and it need to be quantified by numbers. So, because this is very important to them to understand and to know the market that they are going to. Number three, show them your advantage. What do I mean by advantage? You are localized. Your language is different. Your client understanding your language. Your company has a social media present in certain way. Your application is translated in certain way. All these advantage help you to grow in the market that other competitors cannot beat you on that. Final thing, make sure that you're understanding what you're asking for and how much you're asking and where you are going to spend. US investors need to know every dollar that they will give you, where you will spend it to. So make sure that you showing this and tell them exactly where you will spend your money on. So always have it in your mind. Translate your pain for something that you understand it. Quantify your traction, show them your advantage, and tie your capital with a certain goals, milestones, and de-risk the investment with you. Make sure you're de-risking the investment. Hope you all like. This is Osama Saloom from BridgeTalk. We saw you this Thursday, and we're going to see you next Thursday. Always subscribe with us, share the video. See you next week.